little muddy out here still. Yeah, it's still slippery out here. Whoa, yeah, it's still real slippery. I'm sliding out everywhere, but I'm fucking getting it. Damn. Fucking getting it. Been in second gear the whole time. Had to just drop it down in first right there. Just because it's real bumpy right here. We're fucking getting it. This is my CRF 250 Rally, baby. I think what y'all just seen right there was the fastest I've ever went through those trails right there. Even with it being muddy. Woo! I was fucking getting it, boy. Why, Hollywood was just ripping. AKA, you know, Pootie Tang Lil Main. Hey y'all, this is my 250 Rally. I got Tusk D Sport tires on it. FMF Power Core 4. C Concepts, low seat, 1-inch drop. Acer Biss handguards. Pro Taper handlebars. The gold CR highs. I got pillow top grips. I have, let's see, took the mirrors off, bought some cheap mirrors off Amazon. If y'all want to know about the link to these, let me know in the comments and I'll let you know. Got a quad lock GoPro, or I mean a phone mount right here. USB charger up in here. Cigarette lighter. Let's see, what else I got on here? I got an EJK installed on here to compensate with the Power Core 4, and I have an airbox mod on the inside done. I like to say these things in every video because people are wondering what's on my bike and how I rip it. I did adjust. I do have a Race Tech suspension installed too on the front suspension. Stock shock in the back. I have it adjusted all the way though, the preload or whatever. What else? Let's see. I got the tail tidy too. Tail tidy from TST Industry right here, which is eliminates the fishtail, which is sick. Yeah, this is my bike, man. She's a beauty. She's got some broken plastics, some scraped up fairing on the front, or mirror, or not mirror, but windshield. She's got some broken plastics down here, right here. This is broke. It's just finagled in there. Let's just say that. I broke that off a while ago. But she got some broke plastics right here and up here, down here. But that don't affect the way you ride the bike. She's a dual sport, but I still think she's a dirt bike. She is a dirt bike with turn signals. It's all about how you rip the bike, man. 90% rider, 10% bike. Yeah, man, I love this thing. I love the Rally. It's heavy, but once you get to know how to ride this bike, you can whip it. You can whip it, whip it, whip it. Anyways, let's get to riding. Let's get back to riding. These are my trails out here. They're a little wet, as you can see. They're wet. You see the water down in here. That's why some of them turns I was sliding out and whatnot. But yeah, let's get to ripping. Yeah, boy. shit. I didn't even see that fucking Jeep right there. Some weird people come out here. Can't believe he's even out here down these tight trails. Almost hit that fucking tree. Fucking getting it today. Sliding out everywhere, these trash are. Woo! Fucking getting it, boy. Big hill. Woo, jump that. That Jeep's up here again. Damn, he's hauling ass. I think he thinks I own this or something. He's trying to get the fuck out of here. I don't know whose fucking property this is. Muddy right here. Hell yeah. Nothing for the rally though. This is probably muddy as shit. Hell yeah. Oh, Nelly. This is gonna be a mud fest. Damn, I wish I didn't come this way. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's slippery. Oh man. It is muddy. Look at that. Look at that shit. Oh man. I'm sliding. Woo-hoo-hoo. That was fun. I'm not a big fan of mud. Damn, I can't see shit in front of me right now. That damn sun.